Are you shopping for replacement siding for your Acton, Massachusetts home? With so many options on the market, it can be difficult to know what is best for your home. Luckily, we've done the research and found the perfect solution for our local area. We all know how volatile New England weather can be, from rain and snow to sweltering summer temps. We see it all. That's why you need a siding solution that keeps your home safe year-round. Time and again, our tests prove James Hardie siding outperforms the competition. This siding is a durable, low-maintenance, and attractive option. But what about its energy efficiency? This is where James Hardie siding really excels. It insulates your home, reducing heat transfer and keeping it comfortable year-round. Homeowners in Acton, Massachusetts, and Middlesex County can enjoy lower energy bills all year long. It's also resistant to fire, rot, and pests, and it comes in many colors, textures, and styles to match the look of your home. If you're interested in the benefits of James Hardie siding, call our team of experts at Solid State Construction today at 508-841-3373 for a free consultation.